Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we have a Subaru ECM misfire on 3 and 6, if I remember correctly, for Aaron. So I always have to think for a second, because this is one of those names that is pronounced nothing like it's spelled. From Colorado. Now, funny story actually about this one. Actually, not this one, because Aaron has two more of these cars, and I suggested if you wanna get them all fixed, I'll give you a good price. And no prior repair attempts. That's awesome. That shouldn't take too long. So I said $100 for both, right? Meaning $50 each. And Aaron misunderstood and said, "Yeah, okay, $200 sounds good." What would you guys do? Would you take that extra $100? My wife said, "Yes, sure, if he's fine with it." take the extra 100. But no, I didn't take it. And actually, I would feel the same way if the misunderstanding was the other way. If I said $100 each, and the client understood $100 for both, I would feel the same way. No, that's not what I meant. So, I'm not gonna take advantage of misunderstanding. Just like I wouldn't expect the client to take advantage of misunderstanding if it was the other way, right? Well, anyways, I suggested that the other ECMs could use this one, and I had a few customers that also have multiple of these cars, and they send me like one is actually not working, the other one is, but let's get that done in the other one as well, because eventually this problem will be developed probably on every single one. I would expect that every Gen 3 is gonna have this issue. So it's a good thing to just remove the lead-free solder and replace it with leaded. That way you're not gonna have that problem in the future. All right, 608 is done. Now we have one more thing that we need to check. Make sure the cups are not hot, but the board is not hot. It's still warm. And this cup is still relatively warm, so do that one last. Now we're gonna check the ESR on the cups. Normally I charge extra for that, but Aaron's giving me a lot of business, so we're adding that as a bonus. Let's see what we get. Less than 200, 160, 170, that's fine. This one is a bit high. Around 0.6. Not alarmingly high, but a little bit high. This one's fine. This one's fine. 400. Not too bad. This one is unipolar. Have to get that one. Those unipolars will always have a slightly higher ESR. This one's 0.8, 850. That's fine for unipolar. Or what am I saying? The bipolar. It doesn't have the polarity. 22 micro and 50 volts. And this one, 380. Fine. Yeah, we don't need to recap it. It's fine, it's good enough. It is absolutely good enough. Okay, that concludes the repair. Now the only thing left is putting it back in the box. And the box is really clean. This is a very clean thing. One thing that I think I mentioned, I did mention many times actually. You don't need to send me this aluminum bracket. Just take it off and you'll save yourself a few bucks on shipping. Believe it or not, this aluminum bracket is the majority of the weight of this. The ECM is really light. So yeah, definitely remove the bracket. It's very easy, just push over here and pull. Push and pull. And it'll... let's see. The pins. Since we already have it, let's check the pins. Okay, so we'll throw in one more service. This is B-Oxid. It improves electrical connections, cleans, and I'm focusing on those big pins. These are the ones that either carry ground or backup voltage, ground for injectors, all that stuff. Some of them are gold plated, so they don't need that. But all of those tin ones or zinc ones, they definitely could use it. That's gonna overall improve the connectivity. It's good for not only electrical connections, but data connections as well. Improves the data speed. It's even, I found that if you use it on the phone connectors, they charge faster. No surprise there, obviously. But sometimes you think that, well, it's no longer charging fast. I need to replace the connector. And sometimes it's just the cleaning. The connector is fine, it just needs to be cleaned. Because obviously that's the ECM is just in the car. You don't move it, you don't touch it. But the phone is usually in your pocket, and pockets are usually relatively dirty places as far as the lint and dust go. So very good thing to use. A very good thing to have, the oxide. Very good stuff. And I actually offered that on Ram trucks. They develop issues because of that. Sometimes it's a blunt, cold solder, like broken connectors, and sometimes it's just the oxidation. Actually, more often it's just an oxidation. And the new component, it costs a fortune, and you can easily recover your old one. Alrighty, that concludes the repair for AA run. Thank you guys very much for watching, Aaron. Thank you very much for your business, and I shall see you guys in the next one.